Hey, cool cat. Welcome to part two of improvisation songwriting. Let's get started.
I like to take a little pause if there's like an instrumental intro, and then everything just pauses, and then usually I just let my mind just sit on this held note, and I'll listen to whatever word comes into my head first. Sad, sad, look at you and me. Right? So now we're talking about the words that actually come out afterwards. I like to repeat words the same way that we have this repeating. This is going to be stuck in your head for the rest of the day, by the way. Just as we have that repeating, we're going to have the words repeating too. So, sad, just me and you. Right? Let's say those are the words that come to my heart, right? So we're going to just keep repeating